on, man? It's your boy Qua. Back with a POV, man. Back in the motherfucking kitty. Let me stop. But nah, man. Big shout out to my mom, man. Like, I didn't think this shit. I never thought this shit would be registered, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, bro. I never had plans to get this shit registered, bro. I kid you not. But now that it is, bro, I just can't. Only thing is, bro, I can't punch. Oh shit, this pothole. I can't punch on it. Like, that's the only thing with this car I cannot do. I could not punch on this car. Why? Because I need this car to last me as long as I can have it. Because I gotta do Instacart. I gotta make my money, man. So gotta make my money, man. Listen, YouTube ain't paying me yet. You feel me? We gonna get there though. We only 300 subscribers away, man. So like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. So I can pump out these videos for y'all, man. Just get y'all a little POV. Y'all see the stars in the back, you feel me? So you know how that go, but I need to get the fuck on for sure. I'll tell you that for sure. But I probably won't give y'all a long POV. It's gonna be just a little something small, because you know, safety, you heard? But this shit, bro, I just feel surreal. It just don't feel real right now. Like, I'm really back in the motherfucking spaceship, bro. Y'all don't know, bro. Like, it don't feel real because it's like, I never in my life thought, like, I had this shit done. Like, I knew I'll get to it, but I didn't think it was gonna be this fast. But I'm thankful, bro. I'm just thankful. God really came through. I just gotta keep talking to God, bro. I notice, like, when you stop talking to God, bro, everything in your life go wrong. You feel me? When you keep God first, keep talking to God, bro, everything goes right. Everything goes right, bro. I don't care what it is. Everything in your life goes right when you talk to God, bro. The second you stop talking to God, everything goes wrong. This car is in 2 lanes. I'm gonna need him to, I'm just gonna stay away from him. But yeah, man, I'm just extremely appreciative of what's going on, man. I can't thank God enough. But nevertheless, man, like, make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a thumbs up on the video, like I said, man, because y'all gotta start watching these. Y'all gotta start watching these videos to like the end. You feel me? Something good happened today, and I'm extremely happy for it. And I could like have the stars on and shit like that, bro. You feel me? Like, it's just a lot. It's a lot to take in. But I have a headache because I don't know, bro. Got one stream, we got one achievement down, and we got more to go. You feel me? And I just gotta make it work. But nevertheless, man, it's your boy Qua. If you haven't, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one.